Hello, everyone. Today I will introduce how to use the Eyoyo tour guide system, E518 and E519S. First, let's take a look at the parts of the product. For the E518 transmitter, the power button is on the left side. The front has the pairing button. The top has the one-key shutdown all receivers button. The right side has the earphone jack with a built-in microphone. The bottom has the charging port. There is a small hole on the device, which is the reset button. Now for the E519S receiver, the power button is on the right side. Press and hold to turn it on or off. There is a small hole at the bottom, which is the reset button. The front has the volume up, down buttons and the pairing button. The bottom also has the charging port. Next, let's look at the pairing process. First, turn on the transmitter and the blue light will stay on. Then, turn on the receiver and its blue light will flash slowly. Pairing is very simple. Hold the pairing button on the receiver until the blue light flashes quickly. Then press the pairing button on the transmitter. The blue light will flash once and then release it. When the blue light on the receiver stays on, pairing is successful. Now, you can start listening. When you have many receivers to pair at the same time, set all receivers to have their blue lights flash quickly. Turn them on, then hold the pairing button until the blue light flashes quickly, then release. Press and hold the pairing button on the transmitter. The blue light will flash, and then release it. When the blue light on the receiver stays on, grouping is successful. Finally, let's look at the one-key shutdown all receivers function. Group shutdown function. Hold the one-key shutdown all receivers button on the transmitter for about 5 seconds until the blue light flashes once, then release. At this point, the blue light on the receivers will turn off, which means all devices are now shut down. Press the pairing button on the transmitter again to end the group shutdown command, and the blue lights will return to the normal state. Then turn off the transmitter.